Good afternoon, Tagalog learners. Another Tagalog word of the day. But before we do our Tagalog word of the day for this video, let's review our previous Tagalog word of the day first, which is TUBO, since some of you are still having a hard time with the different pronunciation. Are you guys ready to practice with me? TUBO. TUBO. Bo. Bo. Profit or sprout. Tubo. Bo. Tubo. Sugarcane. Tubo. 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 Pipe. Tubo. Tubo. Bo. Profit. Sprout. Let's do our new Tagalog word of the day. That is muna. Muna. Let's have examples. Kumain ka muna. Kumain ka muna. Eat first. Kumain ka muna. Magluto ka muna. Magluto ka muna. Magluto ka muna. Maglaba ka muna. Maglaba ka muna. Tawagan mo muna ako. Tawagan mo muna ako. Ipagluto mo muna ako. Ipagluto mo muna ako. Ako muna. Ako muna. Me first. Siya muna. Siya muna. Last one. Basahin mo muna ito. Basahin mo muna ito. Read this first. And that's all for our easy Tagalog word of the day. For my two students who took my 2-hour course, Tagalog Words and Phrases on Udemy, if you too are my subscribers or my viewers, I just want to say welcome to the course. I'm currently working on adding more Tagalog phrases on the course. Once done, that would be more than 2-hour course, and I will post an update on the site, on Udemy, and of course here on YouTube. If you're looking for more Tagalog word of the day videos, you can find more on my channel. Just go to my channel, click playlist, and look for Tagalog word of the day videos. See you guys on the next video.